Good evening to one and all. Myself, Subbarayadu from GPRC College. I am a data science student. My project is PAN card tampering detection. I am doing this in IIIT Kernel with collaboration with Samsung. In this PAN card tampering detection, it describes the where the PAN card is detecting. In this in this generation, we are seeing lot of fraud. By using this project, we can detect the where the PAN card is tampered or not. We are going to see cell by cell what happening here. In this project, we are going to initially install some libraries like OpenCV, Pillow, Streamlight. OpenCV is used to image processing and Pillow is used to load the data into our dataset, and the Streamlight is used to create a website on our local data. Now I am installing it. These are the requirements I already satisfied, so it takes less time. And the second one is the importing libraries, which are the required libraries. We can see the CV2 means OpenCV. As I earlier said, it is used to pre-processing the images, and the NumPy is also used as, we know that these NumPy are used to rearrange the or shuffling with multiple dimension arrays, and I created object as NP to use in the further cells, and I imported skimage.matrices as structural similarity. As the structural similarity index measure, it is useful to detect the differences between PAN card original and tampered one. And I imported image from PIL. As I earlier said, PIL nothing but Pillow to load the dataset into our dataset. And I imported matplotlib.pyplot to visualize my data. From google.colab, I imported some files. This is the how we have to upload image from our data. We can choose files. I am choosing this one and this one, both. The data has taken, and we are giving the condition like if we uploaded less than 2, it can't recognize which one is original, or it couldn't find the differences between the original one and tampered one. So I write the condition here, and otherwise if it did not satisfy the condition, it enters into the else loop, and it started the OpenCV to process the image into original one and tampered one. I given the listed upload keys of 0 and 1. That means I earlier imported the data as download.jpg, fakepan.jpg. It has list of 0 and list of 1 is entered into the original and tampered one, and I have to convert into grayscale to detect the SSMI score. Based on the grayscale, we can calculate, and again we have to resize the image. Because of this, we are going to use the NumPys. We can see what happened here. Okay, now we have to calculate the SSMI, that means structural similarity index measure. By using this, we can detect both the image is tampered or not. It is printing the SSMI score. It's showing 0.396. It means 36% or 37% slightly. That means if the image is getting more than 70 or 75% accuracy, you can say it is not tampered. That means not much that tampered. If it is less than 70%, we can surely say that the PAN card is tampered. And we have to going to visualize what is the original one and tampered one. What is the difference in grayscale by using the subplot. We can see the images original one, tampered one, and difference here clearly. And now I have to converting the grayscale images by using the NP. As earlier said, we can use the NumPy for the changing the shapes and also resizing the multi-dimensional arrays. I converted again into grayscales. Now I am visualizing what the original one and tampered one by using the matplotlib, which I installed earlier in initial cells. We can see original image and tampered image. Now the real stage starts from here. I am installing here Streamlight Pinegrok. It's take more time, but I already satisfied these all requirements. Take less time to here. Okay, done. Now I am creating and modifying an app.py which is going to display where we have to using the Streamlight to create an URL and local host. Here also we imported Streamlight for as an object creation as ST, and also CV2 I imported NumPy, Sky Image, PIL, Immutils, and also here we can see the PAN card title. We use the title as PAN card tampering detection and uploading and tampering the image, which one is uploaded, which one is original and tampered image, and we are loading and converting the images by using PIL or Pillow. And also by using CV2 we are recognizing or processing the images, converting into grayscale images for calculating SSMI. And we also, if the size doesn't matches, we have to resize by using arrays or in numpys. We are going to calculate your SSMI in the web page also. These are threshold and counters where we can see the differences with a rectangular shaped display. We can see clearly in the app also. Now I am running this one to create a password where I have to open my application. I am copying this and I am running by using the Streamlight. This is the URL. I am pasting here. Wait. This is the code I have to copy. I copied. Now you can see the interface like PAN card tampering detection, as I mentioned that this is the title. Generally, we will go with API pins which was provided by Income Tax Department, which they could not provide to students. I inquired and I tried my level best, but they couldn't provide me. So I use it with my randomly or drag it to my data. So we will see the what are the differences are going to how the price is going on. This is the original one we can see, and this is like to be tampered one. We have to check. We can see the SSMI score. It defines which one is tampered or not. The given images are. It's showing 0.36. As I earlier mentioned, which has 75% more than which we go with the original one, or it is going to be tampered one. We are seeing the grayscale differences also clearly here. This is the threshold and counters bounded, which is in the form of rectangular forms. It shows the differences clearly. What are the differences between the original one and tampered one? And the final the result was showing significant differences detected, potential tampered identified. What if we use the API pin? I will show you. If I use the data will be already in the Income Tax Department API. If I use the original one here, and we will show it is likely to be the PAN card UPI or PAN card data set which is provided in API, which is the check. It means it is the tampered or not. It shows the SSMI score clearly. It is 100% accuracy, and it is not show grayscale difference because there is no difference between them because it is the original one. Here also it is not defining any differences between them, and the result will be showing the images are highly similar, likely untampered. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.